Alright, Savvy Serena. Today I got Miska a bark box. And I'm going to give it to her. And we're going to see, it's a prescription box that you can get once a month. And we're going to see what's in it. Miska, that's for you. The ball is old, that's... Okay, so... So she's sniffing around on the box. And it comes with a card. It says, "Dear human, first off, thank you for the bark box. This is the time of year." She done found a toy. And it looks like a Christmas little, oh, it's for her head. It's antlers for her head. Or for her collar. Oh, that's cute. You got more toys? Okay, she pulled out a bag of treats. They're called Roasted Beef Stink Steak Stunk. Alrighty. And it's got the Grinch on it. Let's see what she pulls out next. Let me show you up closer. So what she pulled out first. And she pulled out antlers that I think is supposed to go around her head. Not sure. Yes, because they're by the Grinch. Remember, he puts antlers on the Grinch puts antlers on the dog. Oh, she done pulled out a chew. Hold on. What else you got? This is what she was chewing into. It's just a chew. Jones Natural Chew is what that was. What are you pulling out next? Pull something else out of the box. Pull something else out. Well, she got another bag of treats. And I'm seeing this is Christmas themed. It's toasted beef chew on the pork. Wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, grain-free. And those are good to train her with. Oh, they're little, so they're good to train her with. What else you got? Oh, she got a toy. Okay, it kind of rattles. That's why she likes that one. This is the Grinch. It's called Santa Grinch. It's got a little rope on the end of it, and it rattles. I guess to get her attention. Let me, look. Miska. I gotta cut the tags off. She don't want me playing. And this one is Sue. And her hair is kind of braided. Fluffy Sue. And she's kind of, oh, her tail is. She's like, give it to me. I want my toy. Okay, so now let me look So, each bark box, Miska, go over here. Each bark box comes with 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, and a chew. And I'm not sponsored by them. I found out about the box and thought, with her being a puppy, it would be a good idea to get her some new toys and new chews and stuff like that. So, because her one that we just got her is tore up. But these are kind of more of a Christmas theme. I guess each week it'll be themed. Well, at least it's Christmas themed. If I'd known that, I would have maybe waited, because we're not into Thanksgiving yet. But she'll get another one next month. But I figured it would be fun to get this box for her. That way she's constantly getting new toys and things like that. So I figured she would enjoy this. Now, Miska, do you like your bark box? Oh, and their logo is, they ask for it by name. Let me see if I can get the antlers on her. This is going to be funny. Set. Like, nope. That ain't going on her. But if I can get it on her for 5 seconds, it'd be a cute little... That would be a cute little thing if I could get them on her. But it came packaged. It came packaged with a box, and then kind of looked like wrapping paper. It was just folded. So I think I'm going to enjoy this bark box, and I'm signed up for 6 months, so we'll see how it goes. If y'all like watching her see what she gets new each month, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And I'm not sponsored, but I can put a link below where if you refer a friend after so many, I can donate one to the shelter. If you want to do that, you're more than welcome. These would be good for dogs or puppies. Any kind of dog that likes toys. I'm curious to see how long this is going to last. But if it's something that... Oh, it's got a squeaky in it. She just found it. If it's something that you would enjoy seeing each month, let me know and I will continue doing them. But I wanted to give her something to play with and have something new to her collection constantly coming in. Because she'll tear them up pretty quick within a week or two. So giving her a couple of toys are a good thing. So, y'all come back now. You hear? Miska? Miska. Miska. You see how well she listens sometimes. When she's in play mode, she's like, I'm playing. Miska. Miska. Tell everybody bye. What are you doing?